Hey everybody, it's the handbag hauler here coming to you with a video. But for those of you who are new to my channel, please remember to like and subscribe and make sure you hit the bell button to get notifications whenever I post a video. So today is going to be an unboxing from Dooney.com and an unboxing from Poshmark. So I'm going to start with the Poshmark unboxings. I already unwrapped it and I didn't carry the bag and everything, but I found this little find here on Poshmark. This is the Alto Saddle Bag, the crossbody in the red. It's a really cute bag. I didn't know it was actually bigger than I thought it was gonna be. So it has the silver little buckle right there. Now the seller didn't send it with the black Dooney bag. They sent it with the blue one. They probably want to keep the black one. I don't know. It's not a big deal to me, but there's a decent amount of room in this bag. You have your credit card holder here, you have your zipper pocket here, and then another little pocket right there. The inside is a suede inside. Yep, all the way down is suede, and then you got your red cloth on the two sides right there. It does have an adjustable strap on this side right here. This side does not have the adjustable strap, but it is a really cute bag. Really good find, and I found this one on Poshmark, the Alto Saddle Bag Dooney in the red, and it has the tag on this side here. So that is that one, and now to the really exciting one. But I lost my little excitement for it because Dooney was playing around too much. When I ordered the bag, it was supposed to be here last week. It just got here this week. So when I ordered the bag, it was supposed to ship last week. I was supposed to get it last Thursday, and I'm waiting. And forever seems like a long time. It was only a couple days. But no, actually, I'm sorry. I was supposed to get it last Tuesday. So by Wednesday, I was like, okay, what's going on? Because when I looked at the status on the website, it just said pending pickup. So I called and I'm like, okay, what's going on with the status of this bag? And they said, oh, we're just waiting for the for FedEx to come and pick up the bag to deliver it. And I'm like, okay. So the next day I said, you know what, I'm just gonna call and cancel this bag, whatever, because by that time I was just a little annoyed. But then they said, oh, it's being released, you should get it next week. I wanted it last week. I was hyped last week. Now I'm kind of like irritated, but nevertheless, I'm glad I got the bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open up this box so you guys can see with me what's going on here. And not to mention, let me tell you, not to mention this bag, this on the website, it has this coming to my home, but when I asked the customer service rep, well, what is the delivery address? She said, oh, it's going to your work, but it came to my house. I'm like, okay, I don't want any bad experiences with Dooney. I didn't heard the stories about that or whatever. Oh, oh wow, look, I got my first sticker for you ladies who like stickers. Okay, yeah, they better give me a sticker. They tripping on me. Anyway, here it is. This is the one I've been waiting for, and I got it during the 25% off sale. I said, let me not play. Let me just go ahead and get this bag before it sells out again and then it'll be on back order. So this is the Dooney Satchel, Florentine Satchel in the steel blue. Yay! I saw the bag in Macy's and I was like, oh, I like it. And then when I was out at the outlet in Aurora, I saw it and I was like, oh, I like it. But I ended up getting the logo lock instead because it wasn't on sale enough for me. And actually, I got it cheaper now than what it was in the at the outlet. So this is really, really cute. Ooh, they got this really, really in here. Let me be careful. Don't want to scratch anything up. Oh, I love it. Look at her. I love it. I really, really, what I love about this bag is the detailing, the red outline, how the zipper is outlined in red. And then even on the tassel tops, there's an outline in red. So I really like that part of it. That's really cute. And of course it comes with the strap to be a crossbody and the dust bag and a bunch of silica gel and a bunch of wrapping. This is gonna be really, it gives me, I'm really going more towards the satchels in my collection. The satchels, the Clayton and the Kingston, that I'm kind of going more towards, and of course the Alto. But this is awesome. I like it. And in the small, it's not as heavy as the medium. Don't get me wrong, I love my medium satchels, but it just kind of gives me a break from the heavier satchel. And I thought that this bag looked a lot better in the small version of it, in this color. But this is the small Florentine Satchel. Really quick, for you girls that don't already know the normal Dooney setup. Oh shoot, I got the new setup, y'all, where it has just the one pocket and it doesn't have the two separate pockets right there. So I got the new setup, but it does have the zipper pocket still here, and then it has the smaller slip pocket in front of the zipper pocket. But yeah, I was wondering when that was gonna happen. I ain't gonna like that because I had my compartments just right where my little stuff fit right down in these little compartments. Now I don't like that. Put that back, Peter. Put that back the way it was. Put that back. Anyway, so these are the two items that I got. This one was from Poshmark. This one was the Alto crossbody saddle bag, and this one is the Florentine satchel in the steel blue. Yes. So ladies, thank you for joining me, and of course, happy Dooney shopping, and look for those sales. And I can't wait because I'm going to Vegas in July. Yes, in hot July I'm going to Vegas, but I'm gonna be right at that Dooney store. That's going my best friend that was with me in Aurora, we're going to Vegas. So she got to stick with me in the Dooney store again. Maybe I get her to get one. I don't know. We got to get her to the Dooney side. Anyway, thank you guys for joining me, and I will see you on my next video. Have a great rest of your week.